I was wondering, if you could keep on because the force it's got a lot of power and it makes me feel like it makes me feel like